Hey guys, Terry here again, outdoor design expert and chief design officer of Outer. And today I'm super excited to announce that we've launched our recycled plastic bottle rugs, and I am going to be doing a unboxing for you to explain a little bit more about what this rug is all about. So let's get started. Upon first inspection, what I see is there is a nubby, non-slip backing to this, so that when it's actually on a surface, it actually will grip to it. The rug size that I got was a 5x8. My space is quite small, and a number of considerations when you're thinking about it. I have the 3-seat sofa, plus I have a couple accent chairs, and my main purpose was that I wanted to make it where it was easy to roll up when the rain season came, and also so I can clean it quite easily. I roll it up, I'll take it to the front yard, and I will hose it down, I'll scrub it off, and then I'll let it dry. On the packaging, it has a picture of a graphic of a water bottle, and it says 441. 441 plastic bottles were diverted from a landfill and given a second life to make this rug. The collection is called the 1188, and it seems a bit arbitrary, but the reason we called it that was we calculated the number of bottles that went into making each size of the rug. The 441 corresponds with the 5x8 rug. The next size up we have is the 8x10, and it uses 882 bottles. And then our largest size, which is the 9x12, takes 1188 bottles. As I continue to inspect, there is a sticker on the back of it. I'll show it to you here, and it just repeats a lot of what was on the bigger label. It tells you how many bottles went into producing this, and it also has the care and cleaning instructions on here. So it's a handy dandy place for you to see how it's done. You can also go on the website to read how you can easily clean it, or the blog. You can also see that it is wrapped around a really thick cardboard tube so that the product doesn't deform when it gets shipped. I've now moved my coffee table, and I'm getting ready to unroll my rug. Now that I have the rug rolled out, I wanted to get down and dirty, get really close to it, and share with you some of the additional details that I'm seeing about the rug. Okay, first thing, when I look at it, the color from afar is like a light gray color, but upon closer inspection as I look at it, it has multiple colors to it. There's light grays, dark grays, there's some black, there's some flecks of like a coral color, which gives it some warmth. And the purpose of doing this is so that it helps hide dirt better. It's a rug. It's underfoot, it's sitting outside, it's gonna get dirty. And the design of it is so that it helps hide dirt faster, knowing that it will in fact get dirty. The second thing I see is the weave pattern. And the weave pattern is a herringbone pattern. So the design of the rug has visual interest on different levels. The reason that we decided to do a weave construction is because it's almost like a shield. It's much harder for dirt to actually get deep into the fibers because of how it's woven. And it was quite easy to clean. So what we like to say is we have designed the rug to be humble and unfancy. In other words, it's supposed to be a foundational piece that you can build and layer on and swap out for seasons as you see fit. For colors, Outer has created 3 color palettes that you can select from. All of them work really well for all spaces. In future videos, I will show you how easy it is to swap it out, and you can see that it actually works across different palettes and different styles. Okay guys, that was my review and the details of the Outer rug. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click on the like button below. If you have any questions, send it in the comments and we will get back to you. Until next time, have a great day.